Hi, Benjamin Jaffe with SQ Law. We get a lot of questions that deal with people being charged with criminal offenses and how that affects their ability to carry a firearm or possess firearms. So we were asked, I was charged with a crime. Does that mean I automatically lose my right to carry a firearm? The short answer is no, you don't automatically lose your right to carry a firearm when charged. When it becomes a real issue is that when there's a protective order of some sort that is imposed by the court. Now, the unfortunate thing is most courts are very, very liberal with granting those sorts of things. So if there's a case and there's a witness, most courts are going to put a protective order that you can't contact that witness, or there's a no contact order with that witness. If there's an open protective order, in general, I tell people you're not going to be able to possess a firearm. There's some interesting ideas about that out there right now. I believe it's precluded by federal law, but there is an interesting case that said, portions that could be unconstitutional. In general, it is something that's granted by the court. They do have to have a hearing. They have to do an advisement regarding that. But if there's a protected person of some sort, like a witness or a victim or someone on a case, in general, you're going to be precluded from possessing firearms, possessing ammunition, all those things. We've had cases where people have to hand over their firearms or they're picked up. That sort of thing does happen. It's generally on more serious matters, but the range of cases that we have that have protective orders or no contact orders is very broad. So as a general matter, no, but as a factual matter, as a practical matter, a lot of cases include those sorts of things. And when there is a protective order regarding a witness or a victim, I generally advise my client, and the courts are usually telling people you are not allowed to have firearms. And in fact, they'll have you sign a document stating that you've been advised of the protective order, and it generally includes that language as well. So as a general matter, I would tell someone that, if there is a protective order, you are not to have firearms. You do not want to have to try to explain that or dig your way out of that later on.